So the best nest plays, right? The best, so nest play. This is what a nest play is, guys, right? Price broke out to the upside. So we had this. That's what we had, okay, on that candle. And then price, a nest plays when price breaks into another zone. We had that. This had a bottom wick down to here, and this had a top wick up to there. And then what happens is price tries to break back above, but can't do it, and closes bullish. Yeah, and that's how we closed. We closed bullish. Then you got a top wick on that one as well, and a bottom wick down to that. Right. So what that tells you is price has broke into this zone and then it's tried to break back out. So what zone are you still in? Well, technically, you're still in this zone. Therefore, where should you be going? Well, you should be coming down to fill the rest of the range, right? So what tends to happen with the next candle is the next candle tends to open up, gives you a top wick, and then flips and fills the range, okay? Like so. But the best nest plays are the ones where the wick breaks the previous candle wick. So breaks the high. So as you open up with a candle, this pushes up, breaks the high. And the way you're getting on this, you simply have a sell stop underneath the body of the previous four. Okay. You have a sell stop underneath. As this pulls back, breaks the high, fantastic, it's got liquidity. Then when it flips, activates, take partial move to break even, and price pushes through. And this whole move, what we call a nest play. You can also get a double nest play. And what a double nest play is, it's where this four closes doji or bearish, okay, gives you your top wick, or closes like that. It's the same principle, but it's just two. So you've now got two candles respecting this level. That's a high probability that the next candle is going to open up. Probably doesn't give you much of a top wick because the previous candle done it. Open up and then drive through. And that is, some people call this, well, it's just a break, retest to drop. That's all it is. Well, that's what we call a nest play and a double nest play. Okay. 3, 4, 5.